Tony, you're very good with words. But I've learned a long time ago that actions speak louder than words.
That's what I'm working on. Not just words, action. But for now, words. I implore you.
Tony, tell me about this Miss Nice character. Because the relationship just seems to be a little bit
Unprofessional, yeah, I know, I get it. But like I said, she's an industrious worker. She's driven by her desires to get things done, and that is what I need for the company.
Tony, are you aware of the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? You see what I saw at the funeral home? Just doesn't look right. The very first time I came to the office and I saw you in the chapel, that, not at all. Second time, the office, that seemed very flirtatious. And to add insult to injury, she tried to confront me.
Try to confront you? What do you mean?
Let's put it this way. She was showing ownership over you, and I felt out of place. So I'm just wondering what you did to make her feel like that. And Tony, just know this. I am not prepared to play any tug and war with any woman over any man.
She may have misinterpreted my gestures, right? As my grandmother always said, not everybody can stand success, right? I gave her a promotion and she just spiraled out of country. I never knew that she was challenging you. And Luna, I'm very sorry that you feel challenged. I will never put you in that situation ever again.
Okay. I'll take your word for it this time. But Tony, if anything like this happens again, you can rest assured that we will never have this conversation again.
And I can assure you, it will never happen. Oh, right on time.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you. It's a break from chickpea.
Yeah.